Hello friends. Today we're going to do a pixie wig on my money queen. We're going to need our 28 pieces pixie cut hair piece, some wool, and some sewing needles. There you go. A wig cap, of course, so we will sew on it. Some holding clips, comb, and a pair of scissors, and of course a straightener. Okay, now let's start to do our wig. Okay, now Queen Cindy will snatch her crown to the rightful owner, and there it is. Of course, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna be wearing the crown today. I'm just gonna take it off. Wait, I don't do this. Oh my goodness. Okay, we put on the wig cap on the mannequin now already, and this is how it should be sitting. We're going to hang this elastic strap to the front of the mannequin for more grip for the wig cap.
Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber.
Now from the packet of the hairpiece, I will select 3 pieces of the longest pieces in the packet. Yes, from the whole pack, I will select 3 pieces of the longest pieces. Then I start sewing from the front.
Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Alana the beauty queen. South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
Now there with my finger, I'm showing exactly where I'm gonna be sewing on the hairpiece. That is the direction that I will be sewing this one piece from the front all the way to the crown of the wig cap.
South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. Sing Dizzy well. Unene, the beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful you. The beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. She walks on air, she's got that flair. Cindy's US charm beyond compare. From Joburg streets to Durban scene, she's the beauty queen we've ever seen. Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. In the land of gold and diamond dreams, Cindy's here with reign, she's the queen supreme. Cindy's where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move.
And here now I'm trying to show the knot that you tie at the crown. You tie your knot the second time around, the crown where you ended your first layer of placing your hairpiece and sewing it on. You then tie a knot and then you cut off the excess tail of the hairpiece and the string or the wool rather.
With every step you shine so bright, beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move.
So here now I am basically trying to explain as to where the first layer is being sewn on the human head. With my finger I'm showing all the way to the crown. Yes, where I'll be sewing the first piece of hairpiece. Hope you got it. Now we move on to the second layer of hairpiece. The remaining piece I start placing from right next to where I started at the front. It will just go parallel with the first one, but right just on top of it will be our second layer. It goes all the way to the crown as well. Here I'm showing where it ended and cutting off the excess tail of the hairpiece and cut off the wool after doing the knots, after tying the last knot. Then I brush it down so it layers right on top of the first one. Moving on to the third one and so on and so on.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber.
The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber, Cindy Ziwe. Unene, the beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. Cindy Ziwe. Unene, the beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Yeah. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber, beautiful YouTuber. Alana the beauty queen. South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. Kumele, 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 kumele. Asiniziwe, Kunene the beauty, queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber, sing as you well. Kunene, the beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful you. The beautiful YouTuber.
So here now it shows the layers of the hairpiece overlapping each other to create the infinite illusion of the hairstyle. This will then show the illusion that the hairstyle takes the same direction, that rounds over the head in same direction. For the finished look, be on the checkout for the continuation.